Select Opening Balance from the Financial Accounting menu to view or modify initial balances. Select the plus icon to add a new entry or item. Choose a branch from the drop-down menu to proceed with the transaction. Adjust the opening date to the desired day by using the calendar icon or manually entering the date in day, month, year format. Enter the reference number in the provided field to proceed with the finance voucher. Specify the reference date in the format MYY. Input the description for the opening balance entry in the provided text field. Select GL from the Balance Type drop-down menu. Select the customer from the drop-down list under the Party section to proceed. Enter the amount in the Debit FC field as required for your financial transaction. Enter the reference number in the provided field to complete the manual line entry process. Input the date in the reference date field using the format DDMYYY. Select the due date by clicking the calendar icon and choosing the appropriate date. Enter details in the line narration field, then click Add Line to continue. Click Add Line to insert a new entry into the form. Click the Save icon to store the draft. Click Yes to confirm and save the record. Verify the status field labeled Draft to confirm it's in the preliminary stage. Proceed accordingly with any necessary actions. Click Issue Post to proceed with finalizing the entry. Verify that the status is marked as issued before proceeding with further actions. Select Voucher under the Financial Accounting menu to access voucher-related features. Click the magnifying glass icon to initiate a search within the Finance Voucher Inquiry System. Click Select to choose this voucher number for further action. Review the subledger entry labeled Test Customer Indonesia associated with the AR control account. Verify its currency as IDR and ensure the exchange rate is 1.0000. Check the foreign currency debit and credit amounts, ensuring FC debit shows 150,000 RO and FC credit is 0.00. Confirm the local currency debit mirrors the FC debit.